Avon and we're trying to have a little down day after all our hiking and trekking and driving from one location to another. So we came to the Walking
Mountain Science Center. Avon.
The Walking Mountain Science Center, and it's in Avon. It's free and it's just got little paths to walk on, not really a hike, just walking paths. And right now they have hummingbirds and they're like this big and they make this like high-pitched like squealing sound, and they were all fighting over the nectar. It was really cute. They have a little place inside for the kids with like hands-on things like a beaver den, what it looks like in the inside and how it's kind of built, and information. And then it has stuff about ants, and it's got a little kids area with hands-on toys to play with like sandbox and stuff. There's a butterfly!
A beaver den.
Look at, there's a giant ant. Wow, are you archaeologists today? What did you say?
I'm not thirsty, I'm thirsty for having fun.
Yeah. Look, guys, there's a chipmunk. Leave it. Shh. Oh, he's hiding in the rocks.
Do you like my new hairstyle?
Oh yeah.
It's fabulous. Hey, there's a horse there.
No.
Girls, hummingbirds.
Oh, look at this bridge, guys. I love it.
Quarter mile to the whole thing.
Oh, that's nothing. Picture by the home. Oh, they have like wood chips on the ground. There are so many bugs and plants in this little nature walk, like butterflies flittering around and bees and pretty little streams with trickling brooks. It's a very, very easy, I wouldn't call it a hike. It's just a nice leisurely walk in the woods. There's tons of those white aspens everywhere, and it really is just beautifully maintained. It's absolutely gorgeous here. All right, we gotta figure out where we're going next. Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah, leave it alone though. Let's see. Zoom in.
If you believe in love, give me a feeling. If you believe in me, hold me and let
lost my family. Big pine trees. Ooh, we can stand in the shade for a minute. Oh, it's so nice and cool in the shade. It ended up being kind of hot today. In all honesty, it was quite warm today. The mornings start out at like 55 degrees, but it gets hot.
How exciting if you saw one going across the road?
I would be happy
I see a deer. I see a deer.
In the woods too. You have to come up with a name for deer.